Hey guys, Joseph here and bago nga tayo matulog, meron lang akong gustong i-share sa inyo. Actually today, I had a chance to meet two different people. One is a couple who's already retired. Another one is a good friend of mine who's about to get married this end of the month, this October 2024. And both of them actually gave me a great lesson today. And it's all about finances. Usapang pera na naman to guys. So I know marami sa atin mahilig pag-usapan ng pera at marami din sa atin takot na takot pag-usapan ng pera. Pero pagdating sa buhay, this is one actually an important, uh, kung hindi man importante, this is one the biggest things na involved talaga on our day-to-day life. And it's just so good to know and learn from other people what they have done and what they're preparing to do to make sure that this aspect of their life is okay, that they're doing good. It's not something they have to worry about every day. And yung first meeting ko, yung retired couple, very successful. They were both professionals. One is a medical doctor. Other one was a vice president of the biggest bank here in the Philippines when they decided to retire. And nagkakwentuhan. They got to share that on may minana silang stock certificates from their parents. And that's really a good sign of financial education. Early on, ito yung mga panahon pa lang walang internet, walang masyadong talk about stock market investments. Pero luckily, their parents were able to get in the IPO price of the oldest corporation here in the Philippines. So napakaganda, natutuwa ako. But now, then again, sila na yung may responsibility to take care of those investments. And medyo nagkakaroon sila ng, uh, ano ba, how do I say it? Even though the word same, but hindi siya masyadong familiar with it. She just knows that she's a broker, and then she basically did still continue silang stock market, mutual funds, they also are real estate. So it's just so nice to see that people actually take care of you get work day or they get to spend their day dyan. Marami din naging successful as I